Hey guys, I just wanted to put together a short screencast to let you know kind of what I've been working on the last day and what I'm going to. This is kind of what I figured out to use for the feedback that everyone's giving. So just to first of all start here. So here's the rubric you have. Here are the out of 3 points, the feedback given, and I'm only putting this here first of all for transparency in all parts. You know, whenever you do, I know many of you are in the professional workforce, like these sorts of reviews, or people are privy to them as far as who's giving the feedback and whatnot. I have not shown who is given what feedback, but in general, like as I had mentioned in the last recording, like the feedback for the first case left much to be desired, and then as we see for the second case, much better. But so Chet did not have a first case study, so this is, and he goes by Chet, so Thomas Berry. But so his score for the second would be here, and so all of your feedback would be the comments and the grading. So if you're Chet and you're trying to figure out your grade, you would take this total points. Well, we'd average it. I wanted to get this out sooner rather than later, and I've spent quite a bit of time on this, so I probably won't get to actually doing the grades, but once you have this file, you can do it yourself. Essentially, you average this score and then add it to your points here. So then we have, you know, Cabrina. We'll have the first case study, all the comments, and as you can see, big improvement here. Also, and I was guilty of this with, I believe, did I fix it? There was, yeah, responses. Yeah, no N there. For spell check. But as you guys, I put these verbatim, so not so much with the second issue, but do run spell check through these. I tried to leave the comments as is for the first go round, so you could just see the difference. And but remember to use spell check in Excel. Again, I will note my own advice. And then you could read through the comments. And I did this for everyone. So there's that. So we have 2 more case studies, and then just a short case reflective essay, which is your final assignment. So let me know if you have questions, and I hope everyone had a nice weekend. Okie doke, bye-bye.